Nature Jadd here, and today we are exploring the abandoned mill in Wendling, Oregon. This mill provided lumber and jobs for the Willamette Valley, but was subsequently closed 70 years ago because of a mysterious fire and a dwindling timber supply. It is now being grown over by ivy and covered in graffiti and supposedly haunted by a ghost known as the Wendling Weirdo. But I don't believe anything like that, so let's explore this place together, shall we? All right. Ivy covered. Oh, what's this? Some sort of encampment. I wonder what's up the spillway here. This spillway looks cool. Let's check it out. All right. This is where the logs came down. Oh my God, what was that? What was that? Oh my God, I gotta get out of this place. Oh my God. Oh no! Nature Jadd has died.